A very good morning, my beloved student. So how are you this morning, everyone? Very good. So everyone, now welcome back to our online class again. And everyone, are you happy today? Okay, very good. So everyone, can you tell me what day is it today? Good. So today is Thursday, August 13, 2020. Okay, so everyone, did you review the lesson last night? Good. And did you sleep well last night, everyone? Okay, very good. And what time did you go to bed? Okay, very good. So everyone, you have to sleep early. Okay, do not stay up late. It's not good to your health as well. Okay, very good, everyone. So teacher believe that you review the lesson and also ready to learn with me in this video now. Okay, good. So everyone, can you tell me based on the online schedule? So on Thursday in the first session, we are going to study about. Okay, very good. Grammar Planet first. Okay, it's opposite from yesterday. So the first session from yesterday, we have learned about Hangout book for the first session. But on Thursday, okay, in the first session, we are going to study about Grammar Planet 3 first. Okay, good. So everyone, teacher believe that you review the lesson in Grammar Planet 3 as well. Okay, so everyone, what we are going to do for this session, it is about what? Yes, it is about refer to the language station. So the language station, it connect from unit 14 up until unit 16. So there are 3 units. So everyone, can you tell me unit 14, what is it about? Everyone, can you tell me please? Yes, very good. So the title of unit 14, it is about superlatives, right? Good. So everyone, can you tell me about what is superlative is? Very good. Okay, so teacher believe that you know exactly about superlative adjective, right? Good. So everyone, and how about unit 15? What is it about? Anyone volunteer? Yes, very good. So it is about information questions and prepositions of time. Very good. So you are clever and your memory is still good, right? Good. So everyone, what is information question and what is prepositions of time? Okay, so you have learned already, and make sure that you remember the lesson as well. Okay, remember it's not enough, but you have to understand the lesson as well. Okay, good. And how about unit 16? Okay, good. So it is about modal verbs. Very good. So everyone, now we are going to practice about the exercise from unit 14 up until unit 16. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, good. So in this exercise, we practice it in order to revise, okay, about the lesson that you have learned so far, to make sure that you remember it well. Okay, so you have to review again and again to make sure that you still remember the previous lesson, the old lesson that you have learned so far. Okay, good. So everyone, are you ready to practice the exercise? Good. So you can open the textbook on page, okay, everyone, so you can open to the last page of the lesson, right? It is about page 72. Okay, so everyone, the instruction, it is about look and circle. So you can look at the picture, as you can see in the textbook here. So you can look at the picture, and we have 6 sentences. Okay, and each sentence we have, yes, about multiple choice. So you have to choose only one, and after that you have to circle the correct answer. You see? Very good. So now let's move on to the first one altogether. So make sure that you remember well. Okay, good. So number 1, I think penguins are the cutest, most cute birds. Everyone, what is the sentence about? Very good. So the correct answer, it is about the first one. Good job. The first one. Why? Why you choose the first one is the correct answer? Because it is about Superlative, right? It is about superlative. So shoot, it is about one syllable, or we can say short adjective. So we just add est to the last letter and it becomes superlative adjective. And don't forget the article the, right? Teacher already told you in superlative adjective we have article the, right? Sometimes. Okay, good. So I think penguins are the cutest birds. Good. Not most cutest. We add most to the adjective that has two syllables or more than two syllables, or we can say the long adjective, right? Good. So it's not correct. So now let's move to number 2. They shouldn't fly. Okay, everyone, can you find the correct answer in the sentence number 2? Very good. So the correct answer is, it is about, okay, very good. So it is about the first one. Why we choose can? Can represent about modal verb. You see? Very good. And what is the position of can? It show or express about ability, right? So they can't fly. It show about the disability that it may be referred to the bird, right? Very good. As you can see in the picture, right? Good. So penguin cannot fly. Very good. So this is about showing about ability in modal verb. Okay, good. So now let's move to number 3. These cute animals may climb trees. Which one is the correct answer, everyone? These cute animals may climb trees. So which one is the correct answer? Very good. So the correct answer is can. Very good. Can, right? Okay, very good. It's showing about ability. Okay, so this cute animal can climb trees, right? Very good. So anyone, now let's move on to number 4. So number 4, you shouldn't feed them. They get their own feed. Okay, so anyone, which one is the correct answer, whether should or shouldn't? Okay, so can you tell me the correct answer, please? The correct answer, it is about, of course. So you shouldn't. Very good. So you shouldn't feed them because they get their own feed, okay, or their own food. Okay, very good. So it expresses about advice. So you shouldn't feed them because they can get their own feed, their own food. Okay, very good. So everyone, now let's move on to number 5 altogether. So number 5, it is about what? It is about what time and what day did they go? What time and what day did they go? They went on Tuesday. So anyone, it is about what? Which unit? Yes, of course, it is about unit 15. Very good. So what is it about? It is about information question and precision of time. Okay, very good. So anyone, which one is the correct answer, whether what time or what day? So which one is the correct answer? You are right. So you can look at the answer, right? So the answer, it is about on Tuesday, right? So it is about what time or what day? Yes, of course, what day? Okay, so you choose what day. So what day did they go? They went on Tuesday. So we use preposition on with the day. Okay, very good. And everyone, now let's move on to the last one. It is about number 6, right? So what time and what day did they arrive? They arrived at 3 o'clock. So everyone, can you tell me the correct answer, please? Okay, so the correct answer is absolutely correct. It is about what time. So what time did they arrive? They arrive at 3 o'clock. It is about time, okay, about the precise time at 3 o'clock. So we use at with the precise time or exact time. Very good. So anyone, teacher believe that you still remember well, okay, about the lesson or the unit that you have learned. It is about unit 14, 15 and 16, 3 units together. So you still remember well, right? Okay, so for the first one in unit 14, it is about superlative adjective, right? Very good. And the next unit, it is about information question and preposition of time. And the last unit, it is about modal verbs. Okay, very good, everyone. So this is about the end for the lesson, okay, for the first session. And do you have any question? Very good. And if you have any questions, so you can drop your question into the group and your teacher will respond you back, okay? So this is about the end. See you the second session altogether. Goodbye.